Hey Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing my year-end house tour of all my collectibles. So let's get right into this, as there is quite a bit of stuff here. And to see first, you can see I have the Argonath, the newer version. It's one of my favorites. And then my favorite one out of the environments is this Minas Tirith. So cool. Absolutely love this. Then next, I have the Green Dragon Inn, Mill and Bridge, Bag End, and all my Hobbit holes. Very, very cool. I got Elrond up top. The Weathertop and the other piece there. Then I have King Theoden, Haldir, Haladrim Soldier, and then all my mini swords I have here. And these are the ones that I have downstairs in my home. Then I got one of the pictures up top here. And then some of my minis. Very cool. Then over here, show you up top first, the Argonath print, Fellowship print, and Lothlorien print. And over here, got this set up, Saruman, Galadriel, and Gandalf, all from the Hobbit. And I got these little guys, 3 more minis. I put all my wizards together. Then the barrel riders on each side of them. Very cool. I got my Middle Earth map. Don't mind the light. And then back up over here. I got my Boromir sword. And over here, my Lord of the Rings picture framed. Then overhead my door, I have my Going Out in the Adventure print. And then on my bad guy spot, Margot blade, the blade that stabs Frodo, and the other big long sword. Long. And then my mini helms, Krishnak and Orc, and my mini ring wraith. Then my Horn of Gondor. Gotta find a spot to hang it. I've gotten better playing it now. Then here's my coffee table with some classic series. Got my classic series ring wraith, Gandalf the White, Aragorn, and Frodo. There's Pippin, the Elven Brooch, Light of Erennial, the One Ring, Bilbo, Mirkwood Key, Key to Big End, Key to Erebor, and then this Golem is the switch out for that guy over there from Sideshow, the Golem. And then Bilbo's pipe, and then the Bilbo at desk, the other Frodo, Orc, Bilbo Baggins from the Hobbit, and then that's the Frodo from Iron Studios, the minis there. And then I got the gold keys or gold coins from the Hobbit. Yeah, quite a setup there. Then above there, above my fireplace, I have the High Elven sword, Sting with the scabbard, and then Sam's sword, and then my recent video, Gimli's helm. Then above here, you got Thorin's Orcust, Aragorn's sword, one of the mugs that I got, and Hadafang, another mug, the Prancing Pony, my two dwarves that I got. I'm getting all 13, Balin and Dwalin, and then the Argonath and Gollum and the Minas Tirith when you get in the box set. And then Narsil, King Elendo's sword, and Anduril. Loved it with that one. And then helm of King Elendil and King Elendil himself. This is my Grail statue. Just absolutely love this one. And then Glamdring, very cool. And then Gandalf, and then with his hat there, Iron Studios little mini, and then Gandalf's pipe. And then over here, turn on the light here, got Turiel's daggers, and then all my minis, mini epics, and then the Bilbo's contract. This is the small version, and then some more minis down below, and then the Smog mini, and then one of the film cells kind of thing. That's for my setup there. Then this is in my bedroom. I'm doing it with all the elves and Bard the Bowman, as you can see him there. Tauriel, Legolas. Then above here, because it's elven themed in here, I have my prints of all my waterfalls and stuff. And then I got Galadriel and Arwen there. And don't mind the mess here, but I still got all these prints here that I got to get unwrapped, framed and hanged. I can't wait to get them hanged. And then don't mind the mess here again. I got all my Lord of the Rings books. I want to get a bookshelf and put them all in a row. And then more books there. And you can see Bilbo print there. And I know there's a lot of reflection there, but in my Rivendell print, I'm going to get framed too. And then as you can see, I have my prints up there in between those windows. I do have the staff Gandalf stuff, the Moria one. And I finally got Saruman stuff. I still got to do my unboxings for those ones. And put them in between the windows, in between the, where you can see there, what I mean there. I'm gonna hang them, put them there. And then I also got the big version of Bag End. One that's like 2 feet, the big one, the 2 feet wide, that's huge. I still got to unbox and put that one, find a spot for that. And that's my full collection, guys. Like, so I hope you guys enjoy this tour. Comment down below what you guys thought of it, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and Happy New Year's to everyone in the upcoming year. Thank you for 2023 for a great year, and you shall have my axe in 2024.